Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Back in the kitchen again. I'm here making Jamaican carrot cake, and this is all my ingredients. I have some flour here, 3 eggs, some orange juice, half cup of sugar, half cup of raisin, I have some cinnamon, some salt, some nutmeg, baking powder, and I have some baking soda, some lemon juice, and some olive oil. And here I have 4 lovely good sized carrots, and this is all my ingredients. Here I have my carrot. I'm just shredding my carrot. Yes guys, this is how my carrot look. I use this part of the grater because I didn't want, when the cake finish, all of the carrot last in the cake. So I use this part, thread it, and I did a grater it with this part. Okay guys? Yes. So what I'm gonna do now is to add my 3 eggs. Put it in my container right here, which is my bowl. Then I'm gonna add my orange juice. I'm gonna add my lemon juice. So I'm going to use my mixer and combine all of this together. Mix for a minute or 2. What I'm going to do next is to add my sugar, which is my dark sugar. I'm gonna add my olive oil. I'm gonna combine all these ingredients together again. I'm gonna mix for a minute or 2. This is my flour. What I'm gonna add to my flour is some baking soda, like ½ teaspoon of baking soda, 1½ teaspoon of baking powder. I'm gonna put ½ teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna put some nutmeg. Then I'm gonna add some cinnamon powder. I'm gonna combine all of this together. So what next? I'm gonna add in my flour first, little by little. Add in my flour. Then I'm gonna add my carrot. And then I'm gonna add all of my raisin. I'm gonna combine all of this together. I'm not gonna use a mixture. I'm just gonna use my hand and my spatula. Combine all of this together. I'm gonna add in my raisin. Just gonna mix. See that? Put them at the bottom because we don't want no raw flour. Put them at the bottom. You just use a spatula and just put them at the bottom and dig up the bottom, okay? And you see, you can see the carrot in there. Yeah. Could I use a mixture? But I said no, because I don't want the carrot to last in the carrot cake, okay? Yeah. So I'm gonna preheat my oven. I'm gonna let this bake for 45 minutes. Yeah, but first I'm gonna butter my pan, and here I have my grease pan. Just grease it with some butter. But what I'm going to do next is to just put in my parchment paper. I don't want it to stick, none at all. Even though I put the butter in there, it never stick, but we just want put this in there to get a firmer bottom, if it makes sense. Just gonna put some butter on the parchment paper, mixture in my bake pan. So I'm gonna let this bake for 45 minutes, no longer than that. Okay. Just take my carrot cake out of the oven, and this is how it look. What I'm gonna do now is to test it. Make it stay in there for 45 minutes. So just gonna test it and see. Look at this, nothing come out on it. That means I did a good job. 45 minutes baking my carrot cake. Yes guys, so what I'm gonna do now is to just shake it out and just show you how it. What I'm doing now guys is to shake out my carrot cake out of the container. It still feels warm. Ooh. Look at this. Look at this. Wow, see that? So what I'm gonna do is to slice it. Let us see inside. It's soft and spongy and moist. Look at this. Look at this. It's moist. Look at this. Yeah, this is all moist and soft my carrot cake is. I'm loving it guys. Loving it. Finished look of my Jamaican carrot cake, Jamaican style, Jamaican recipe. Guys, big up on yourself and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and comment and tell me all about this recipe. It's really soft and it's really moist. Yes, big up on yourself and thank you for watching. Bless you all. Bye.